course, it was expected ukuthi Durban City will come here.
Sure.
And angithi bayazi ukuthi Pirates ishama heavy score.
Yeah.
So obviously they wouldn't want to be embarrassed. Go sold out.
Yeah.
But over and above that, we know ukuthi Durban City doesn't score goals.
Yeah.
But at the same time, Durban City doesn't concede. So Durban City nje, in its nature, a team that will sit at the back and defend. Its defense here is very good. And Elikini, they are number 7.
Yeah.
Of course, they know that they want to consolidate the spot, go top 8. So obviously, they were not going to do favors for Orlando Pirates. Yeah, so I expected very good. It is going to be a difficult game.
Mamela ne ukuze could have been there a way yokuthi Orlando Pirates unlock le yalo block ye Durban City. What is it that they should have done ngokwakho bona?
I think amajita yo Moremi, those are the players mhlambe ngabe mhlambe uqale ngazo as a coach. But over and above that, you have uMakehleni Makaula, which I think, in my opinion, Maumpere na Bombatha uyakwazi ukuthi akhona ukubadlalisa. So introduction ka Selepe to me was quite questionable. Okay. And if we were to go to the whole season, sometimes in the games that we call games of consequences, the coach will come up with a lineup that will surprise you. So I don't think a coach really bekayiplane kahle le game. And draw namhlanje, one can say coach akabonaka kahle in as much as ama subs wakhe or first 11 yakhe is concerned. Sure. So mina I'll say masiya kule game ye Obit, just make sure that you stick to the players that have minutes in their belt so that they can give us the results. Yeah,
ukuya kuka Muremi ne kuya extend kuma wings we Orlando Pirates. Yes. What would you do in that number 10 position? Would you carry on ngotito or would you switch uthatha umfukeng ubeke number 10?
I think I'll carry on with uMaswanganya. Yeah. In the previous game sengizibonile uMaswanganya adlala number 10. Bekune creativity. So I'll still stick to uMaswanganya. Even though I felt ukuthi namhlanje he was a bit off form, but then it's normal. And it's not over as well. Let's go to Mbombela and treat that game as a final. So I'm definitely sure that we'll still clinch the cup.
Predictions for next week in Mbombela, what's going to happen? Who's going to win the league? Who's going to be relegated?
No. Winning league is not even a question. Winning league is not a question. The Pirates is winning the league. But score esivamise ukusinikeza iObit is 2-0 all the time. Yeah. So we're just going to beat them 2-0. Lapho ke siyokhiphela isibongo kubo. Kuyoba kubi. Bazophuma lapha egroundini bazwile. So the score will be 2-0 there.
Remember, bonga kakhulu mfethu ngesikhathi sakho.
Sharp Brian.
Salute bafethu PSL Pulse, please do subscribe. Stoshlo, danko.